Hello there. I am heading north on Highway 30, just about at Deer Island, so just north of St. Helens. I'm here to ride Canaan Messinger Road on my way back north. There it is. And let me be clear, it's Canaan Road that leads into Messinger Road. Or Messenger Road. Messinger Road. Somebody who knows, give me the pronunciation in the comments below. According to Big Maps, it's about 14 miles long. Let's check it out. BMR TV road reviews are not only about the facts and figures, the route map, my impressions, but you get to see it for yourself. So sit back and enjoy. Why is it there's always cars when I'm here doing a review in a road like this? This section of road promises to be fantastic. I don't want to be stuck behind these cars. I'm gonna have to find me a place to pull over. That's a little better. Alright, let's check this thing out. Well, this first part of Canaan Road is beautiful. Just look at this. Tree line, tight and narrow. Gotta like that. It is pretty clear that it's a residential road, so as anyone who's been following me for a while knows, I'm not going to go bonkers. I just happen to have a little more responsibility built in than that, but I'm definitely going to enjoy it. Yeah, could have gone faster around that corner. Oh, we popped out of the trees. This area is actually kind of nice. Very farmlandy. You like that sort of thing, which I do. Could imagine living on a road like this, although, like I said, there does seem to be quite a few homes here. But, gotta love these curves. Ooh, cool pickup truck. That cloud looks a little angry, but I don't think it's supposed to rain today. Woo! I guess they meant it when they said sunken grade. This road is a pleasant little meander. Nothing too intense. Definitely some corners in it, but it's not like you're going to become flying through here like they're on fire. But this is nice. This is a good way to go. You know, if you're heading over to Apiary. Ooh. Not a bad view. This is more like it. This is the stuff. And another car. I'm not even going all that fast. Thought I'd stop and show you the view. Sure is pretty. Onward! Now we're on Messinger. Wow, this road is just a little bit lumpy. It's not horrible, but it sure ain't perfectly smooth. Whoop! Let's avoid that. Sunken grade with 2 warning signs? It's not too bad. Hang on. Nope. Hey, is that the Subaru? Hey, fantastic. Oh, this looks like it might be a nice view. Look at that. Lots of sky anyway. It's like a compound. Back into the trees. So, what do I think? Well, I really like this road. It's not massive or super ultra hyper epic, but riding through the trees right here is just glorious. And the curves are nice, some decent views as you saw, and the road surface is good enough. And from connecting from Highway 30 over to Apiary Road, it's a great way to get around when you're up in this area. Today I'm going to be heading north on Apiary and going to Fern Hill. It's another nice little road, cuts again north. So if you're in this area, heading to or fro, give Canaan Messinger a look. Stop ahead. That must be Apiary Road. So this is the end of Messinger. I hope you enjoyed my review of Canaan Messinger Road here in Oregon, Northern Oregon. And there's not much left for it except for you to get out and ride. Thanks so much for coming along. Be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and click the bell icon to make sure that you are notified when new videos get uploaded. If you have any roads that you think I should ride, leave those in the comments below. And if you'd like to support my effort in producing awesome videos, join the BMR TV crew by clicking the support link in the description below. And until next time, get out and ride.